arbitrationagreements.org. Welcome everyone. Today we delve into a common question. Is arbitration confidential? This is a question that many individuals, businesses, and organizations often grapple with when considering arbitration as a dispute resolution method. Before we answer the question, please give this video a thumbs up, press the subscribe button, and hit the notification bell so you can stay up to date about important alternative dispute resolution topics, which can help your customers stay happy and keep costs low when problems occur at your company. Firstly, let's understand the basic premise of arbitration. It's an alternative dispute resolution method where parties agree to have their dispute resolved by one or more impartial arbitrators. Unlike litigation, which is usually public, arbitration is designed to be more private. Now to the main question. Generally speaking, arbitration is confidential. Both the proceedings and the award are typically not open to the public. This confidentiality is one of the primary reasons many parties prefer arbitration over litigation, especially when sensitive business matters or personal issues are involved. Here are some interesting statistics to note. According to a survey in 2020, around 80% of respondents identified confidentiality as a vital feature of arbitration. This clearly highlights its significance in the arbitration world. Another survey, this one from the International Chamber of Commerce in 2019, indicated that nearly 70% of the parties chose arbitration specifically for its confidential nature. However, it's essential to mention that the exact extent of confidentiality can vary based on jurisdiction, the arbitration agreement, and the rules of the chosen arbitration institution. That's why our association is standing by to provide you with a customized arbitration clause right now that fits your act needs. We can also help you begin the arbitration process immediately via our virtual services. To learn more or get started, please visit arbitrationagreements.org. That is where you can purchase what you need to start the dispute resolution process in the correct fashion to handle issues online. Our association does not provide legal advice, but many people from multiple industries use our services to navigate claims in a controlled manner through a cost-effective framework. If you're interested in doing that as a business, give us a call. In fact, big companies use arbitration because it helps them control costs. You're paying one service per case instead of having uncontrolled expenses that any normal lawsuit would cost. That's the real reason people use arbitration. Also, what do you think about the confidential nature of arbitration? Drop a comment below and let us know your opinion. Please do not forget to give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and hit the notification bell so you can receive the latest updates about dispute resolution that can help your business succeed.